This RAINBOWDGT DTF printer machine includes a pre-installed laptop with dedicated software and WhatsApp support to help you get started quickly. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. The laptop comes with all necessary drivers, eliminating compatibility issues and making setup easier. Equipped with the XP600 printhead, this printer delivers ink at twice the speed of many other models, improving your production efficiency. Its 13-inch maximum print width lets you handle larger projects smoothly and precisely. With a high resolution of 2800 by 1400 dpi and CMYK plus white ink, the printer produces vibrant, detailed prints on various fabrics including t-shirts, bags, and leather. This color setup ensures sharp and bright results. The printer features an advanced white ink circulation system with auto-cleaning to prevent clogging, while the moisturizing device keeps the printhead moist during idle times, ensuring consistent performance. Powered by a custom motherboard, the printer offers simple software and easy operation, ideal for beginners to get up and running without hassle. The package comes with everything you need: printer, laptop, 6 bottles of 250 ml ink, 1000 G powder, 100 M roll film, and accessories, all securely packed in a wooden box for safe delivery. RAINBOWDGT provides lifetime technical support and a strong warranty, with expert help available to resolve any setup or printing issues. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.